we're showing you a 2005 5525 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has just under 700 hours on it. Comes with a John Deere 542 quick attach front loader. Has the 6-foot heavy-duty front bucket. It does have the bolt-on cutting edge. It does have the John Deere style quick connect there for your bucket connection. Front grill guard. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor. The tractor is in really nice condition, mechanically and cosmetically. The tires are in really nice shape. Back tires are in good shape as well. Got a couple scuffs on the rims. 2-inch wheels in the cab. Mirrors on the cab. Lights front and rear of the cab. It does have the dual rear hydraulics. Buttons back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Also has the telescopic 3-point arms. 540 and 540E PTO. This engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions, so do not have to have any worries about the new emissions. Inside the cab, it's nice and clean in here. It's got an air ride seat here for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Power reverser on the column here to change direction. You can do that without clutching. Horn here as well. 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 ranges in the short lever, 4 synchronized gears, and park on the larger lever there. Loader control. On the console you've got your hydraulic and 3-point controls as well as your hand throttle. Up top you've got the radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, sun visor. Left of the seat you've got your PTO selection of 540 or 540E. And then your Pto Engagement Lever. On the floor here, you've got the foot throttle, individual brakes, clutch pedal here on the left. Notice there's barely any wear on those pedals. This tractor has very low hours, and again is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.